Hi everyone, it's me Justin and welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here, so hi, I've reacted to them once. It's about Pantropico, their music video. It is a performance video. And yeah, if you haven't watched that one, watch this one and I'm gonna put the link down below. So for today's video, I'm gonna be reacting to Beanie once again. Yeah, we're back with Beanie. This video is about mini moments that can cure bad days. So I'm not particularly having a bad day.
Why the fuck you lying?
But so let's start the video in 3, 2, 1. This is my first time hearing this roll call.
What's up, Aya? C-O-L-E. Ticolette. Hey.
Ooh, Valoy. Ooh, Valoy.
Stop it!
Coming your way. This is Gwen.
Our nonchalant
This is
queen.
Stacy. You can't beat me. Hands up for Mika. Let's go. I'm Joanna. Yeah. It's your girl Sheena.
Our clown.
We lived in one house for 3 years. Ay, for 4 years. 4 years. Yeah.
How was that feel like? So terrible.
At least she's very honest with it. We need to give props with that. Yeah. Thank you, Mika, for being very honest with us. Just like my last video, honesty is the best policy. So yeah, we're still running that policy here.
Yeah. It's fun, but sometimes chaotic.
And depressing.
Yeah. It just depends on how you.
Adaya, you read the question.
What happened? Oh, she fell. Oh yeah, she fell. Oh my god. I wish I could do this as a man. Wow.
He just got the energy.
So guys, for the fans out there, I think we need to dance. Like in a full energy mode, just to be noticed by Baby. If I could just dance just like him, I would do that.
Look at this dude.
That's for sure. Just to be noticed, oh god. Oh my god. Highest attention. It's like actually he's like energizing all the members who notice him as well. Like I just feel like putting myself into their position, like seeing your fan actually dance full energy. I guess I'm gonna dance with just the highest energy that I can hit on that day. So this is great actually seeing the fan and Beanie members enjoying each other's company. So cute.
Ang baho.
Magandang araw, Pilipinas! Ako si Beanie Joanna at
Yan.
tayo ngayon dito sa training studio namin kung saan may naggugulo ng dalawang babae
The amount of
na mga
patience she
Stacy
has.
at Hina. At nasa likod ng ating camera sila
Chubby
Vinnie Coret
bun.
at Vinnie Mika na maglalaro ng kanilang favorite mobile game.
And she's still fit. I mean, guys.
Kitang-kita natin na nag-e-enjoy sila. Lalo na kanina. Pero man, good
I mean,
luck
she's
sa inyong
properly
early
fit
vlog.
right now.
Sa kabilang banda naman, makikita natin si Winnie Aya at Winnie ngayon. Yung mag-film ako nag-aaral ng Calculus Go. Bigyan na namin kung, diba? Calculus Go. Pero nag-drawing. Nag-drawing siya kaya ngayon ang
And Maloy. So they're okay. So thank you for the update, Joanna. But they are like the energy ball of the actually. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Yes.
Yeah, she yeah. The life of that mask is like 50-50. Oh my gosh. Oh god, everyone is. Oh, they really lifted her up. So this is the chaotic part of Benny.
Ibigay mo ng Kuya Follow. Ibigay mo ng Kuya Follow Bini mo.
The energy, guys, the effort. We need to appreciate it. Oh my god. I know the song. I forgot what song is this.
Manayaw tatanan, diri sa diskuhan.
Pari mic ko. Ay.
Forever and ever. Porque sa mga once upon a time. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, rounder.
Ay, oo.
That's a classic book ba? Oh my gosh. Where is she? Diyan lang naman ba ako?
Wait till you see the. No, 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 no. A few minutes later.
I'm jealous. Oh god. Who's jealous? I'm jealous. Are you jealous? You need to be honest here. Oh my gosh. She's so lucky. Oh,
Siyempre, kailangan make the best. Na kailangan lahat ng best, lahat ng yung gawin doon, lahat ng enjoy. Lahat ng enjoyment.
oh my gosh, Maloy.
Lahat, ikaw ay mag-enjoy mo.
Now it's really evident how close Maloy is to her mom. Like, can you see that closeness, guys? Her mom carried her. Do Oh my gosh. Oh, it's really good to see that they're enjoying their lives.
Right. It's the night that I turned 22, diba? Yes.
She's
I
copying
thank you for
Rufamate.
everything. To every lady.
Go, go, go!
To every wind. To every breath you take. And to all the light and to all the bright
Bright
lights,
lights.
and to all the wind, and to all the trees,
Make
and
this
to
as a
all
song.
the economy, and to all the
Economy.
evaluation, the contamination, and the
And the cholesterol.
cholesterol, the cinnamon roll, and to all the rolling in the deep. I would like to thank the people who made this very elegant, very yummy,
Oh
and
my
very
gosh, that
moist
is my
red velvet cake that is
favorite.
made by
Red
heart,
velvet cake
that
is
is
the
made
best.
by the esophagus, that is made by the pancreas of your ovary, and by
Pancreas of
the
your
liver
ovary.
of your lungs. I would like to thank
Pancreas of
Lady's
your ovary.
chocolate that is very
Oh my gosh, my brain is not burning.
like the
Pancreas of your ovary. Oh my
Blooms, tignan niyo, Blooms. May naupuan akong langaw. Oh my God! Sira ulo!
Salad Maloy. The 208 of each group. Oh my gosh, on one stage.
Ang ingay naman ni Joanna. Live mo to? Live mo?
Yan, ano din yung rabbit? Totoo?
Baya ba Dubai?
Beya ba Dubai? Ah, Bida ba Dubai? Beya ba Dubai? Ah, dalawang tao kasi. Beya ba Dubai? Akala ko Beya tas ba Dubai? Beya tas ba Dubai? Beya tas ba Dubai? Hindi, si Biba Biba Bubi? Hindi!
Tongue twister. Baya ba Dubai?
Bidabu, di ba? Bida
Baya
Bubi.
ba Dubai?
Biba Dubi. Si Biba Dubi.
Oh my gosh. No, I'm confused as well.
So thank you, James Clear, for writing this book.
Shout out.
Hi, James. What is the story of the book? Yes, I don't fight the members. And I'm the kindest of them all. I feel like I'm the kindest.
Mirror, mirror on the wall.
I feel like I'm the kindest out of the 8. May nakaaway na ba ako? Wala.
Kasi wala nang paki sa Sheena eh.
Wala nang paki sa mga
Oh, I think Sheena is like the one of the go with the flow person. Like she just ride the waves. It's gonna be okay.
Yeah, boy.
I think... Ano pong song? Uy, Chum! Ang galing!
Oh my gosh. One, two, three, four, five, six. 6 siblings in a chaotic frame. Her sweater, oh my god. Mika's strong. But she's awake, bro. She's awake.
Stop it.
Oh, she's gonna sleep now.
Get some help.
Oh.
Ulam natin ngayon ay cheese sticks. Ito ang pinakamasarap na putahe sa buong mundo.
Walang makakatalo sa sarap ng cheese.
I mean, I agree. Oh, thank you for watching as well, everyone. I hope you enjoyed that one, and I actually did. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. See you on my next video.